I'm Barbara Reidenbach. I be for the German Fire Department a firefighter since 25 years. And always the second week in October we have the Fire Prevention Week. And today we show the elementary school kids how the fire extinguishers work. So we had 4 different sizes. It was water, foam, powder and CO2. And the kids had a lot of fun. For seasonal fire prevention, if you make barbecue, you don't be on a grass ground and be wide enough from the balcony and the house. For the kitchen, don't cook unused. This is the most cause of fire we have, kitchen fires. We teach also for the adults how they have to handle a kitchen fire or oil grease fire. They just have to call us and ask us. We do a lot of things.